Good morning. Andito na kami sa Osoyud. Ayan sila. Kikita niyo ba? Kagigising lang. So, dumating kami ng what time? 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock kami dumating. Umalis kami din ng 5 o'clock. Tagal. Wala pang traffic yun. Pagdating dito, wala na. Tulog na. Yun. Breakfast. Tocino at longganisa. Time is 9 a.m. Yeah. Tignan natin yung isang tulog. There's a huge balcony daw. Isaac, ang aga-aga niyang TV mo. Ito yung balcony. Sobrang laki. Pwede mag-party.
Here we are.
Yun yung lake.
Here we are.
There, and then banda yung swimming pool. Mamaya, pupunta kami doon. Heated.
Here we right here.
It's a heated pool. So, ano nga pala to? Walnut Beach Resort sa Osoyuz. Again? Ba't ganyan ka maglakad?
Hello. There's game there.
Yeah, there is.
Where? So cool. I don't see the pool.
Andun ba sa gilid?
Let's see. And
Yan, ito yung isa. Ito yung room. So, sofa bed, dining table, TV, kitchen, full kitchen. There's my laundry. Nothing. And one room. Tumayo ka niya. Cellphone ka ng cellphone dyan. Ayun lang. Kasi ito ang washroom. Yun lang. Ano tong cabinet? Ganda dito para ka lang nasa bahay, no? Ito, ewan ko kung ano to. Okay. So, mamaya ulit, punta kami dun sa pool. Pakita namin yung pool. Breakfast.
hey, guys. Blue. I'm blue.
So, bibili muna kami ng tubig dahil nalimutan namin yung tubig.
Yeah,
And
because you're Popsy.
Popsy,
Popsy
put it
forgot
away. Okay.
Popsy
So-
forgot water.
Mama is there.
Hi.
So, Osoyuz, I hope I can edit this. So, kung napapanood nyo to, sinipag ako. Yan ang Osoyuz Lake Drive. Story mo.
Anong sabi mo?
Anong binili natin dito?
It was you buy a cake for myself for Coast Hotel.
Oh, last time, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought a cake here.
It was the half cake.
Kabisado Ang galing
Wow. I know that already because I have a brain.
Buti naman, gumagana.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Nandito kami sa ice cream Mulix. Mulix ba? Mulax? Mulix. Ayan siya. Mulax. Ewan ko ano. Wow. Go. Swimming time.
Going to the swimming pool.
Hey.
Warm?
Yep. Hey, look, I see a robot.
Walnut
Robot.
Pakita natin, 360.
Robot. Yeah.
Ayan ang view sa
Hello.
likod, mga bundok.
Huh?
Ito ang hotel.
Hey. Oh, sorry. Ah! I'm gonna charge here. Charge.
Ganda oh. Halika na kasi. Ba yan? Hindi naman yan, ano. Yan na yung pinaka mainit, no? Mamaya palamig na ulit.
Yeah. Water train.
And tapos na kami mag-swimming.
Because we're eating bulldog.
Ano na kami? Merienda time. What's that?
Bulldog.
Bulldog? Is that good? Ha? At ito kami ngayon. Dito kami sa spicy. Spicy bulldog.
In mangga.
Ito, no spice. At mangga.
No, and one apple.
Did you enjoy? Ha?
Got my finger. Right.
So, yun. Nandun kami ng 3 hours. 12 to 3. No?
3 o'clock na?
Yeah.
Ano?
3:30
We're not
lang.
going home. We're not
So,
going
yun
home.
na. Ang sarap na matulog.
Look at this. It's a hot dog.
Anong ulam mamaya? Pasta at KFC. Bugas ang kamay ha. Don't hold it.
So, I can be kiss
Update! Anong oras na? Ngayon ay magsi 6 o'clock. Nanonood tayo ng TV. Tapos, check natin kung anong ginagawa ng tatlo. Let's go!
Good evening! At eto na. Tapos na kaming matulog. No? Mag-nap pala. At nakapagluto na din.
Pasta.
Ito, nauna ka naman. What's that?
Pasta.
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 Alfredo with shrimp.
Yums.
Very easy. Very easy to make. Yan. At lalagyan na daw niya ng buldak.
Ay, oo nga pala yung bulldog.
Buldak. Kanina nagmerenda kami yung buldak.
Wala kaming hot
Hindi
sauce
namin
eh.
nilagay lahat.
Kaya,
Lagyan mo nga.
Bulldog.
Let's see.
Spicy again.
you want? You wanna try?
Spicy, do you like spicy?
Eh,
Try natin. Wow, food vlogger. Ganyan yung mga angle ng mga food vlogger.
I want juice.
Ano?
Really?
Ang pangalan ng natin. So,
I'm going to
magkwento ko nga anong ginawa natin.
today ay...
Sa bagay, napanood naman na nila kung nakarating na sila dito sa clip na to.
Oo nga, pala nila yun.
fish left.
Bukas, na kami? Easter egg hunt.
Yay! We have basket.
Wala tayong basket.
At the park.
Mag-ano na?
What's my
Oh yeah, we don't have basket.
what's
Wala ka
my
ng tao
orange
dyan.
juice? Don't worry, I have my pocket juice.
Sarap. Sarap may buldak.
I wanna try.
Yummy. I got you. I got you dialing. You're dialing. For today's breakfast, egg. And dinidefrost ko yung bacon, hotdog, fishball. Sunog na yata ito. Lobster ball and fish ball. Egg, bacon. Walang sinangag dahil no garlic. Ano kayo ba? Wala.
Ikaw lang.
Bacon,
Ay,
squid
you wash it
ball,
first.
egg, kape. Ang ingay nyo naman! Bablog ako!
Again.
Hot chocolate.
Ulit.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, bacon, squid ball.
Fish ball.
Wow, sarap ng egg. And it's a sunny day.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Yeah, mamaya mag-Easter egg hunt kami dun sa Euro Park.
In the park, we're doing the Easter egg.
Easter egg hunt. And then, swimming time.
Swimming.
Ayaw niya na mag-swimming?
I like swimming.
Parang ayaw niya na mag-swimming First time
Last full day.
Yeah. Last full day. Bukas ay uwian na naman.
Anong sabi ni Zee?
Uwi na tayo tomorrow.
No,
Why?
I don't want to.
Why?
I like it.
You like what?
This.
You like this?
Because I like hot chocolate.
Bilang kitang marami niyan sa
Kaya ikaw,
superstore.
magtrabaho ka ng matindi. Dahil yung anak mo, may bisyo sa hotel to. May bisyo yan sa hotel.
Kailangan maganda ang hotel. Okay, kain muna. Wow. Very sunny day. We're here at the beach.
Slash lake.
Where's Mama? Beach time. Ganda ng bundok, oh. Dito tayo at may kotse.
We're going to the beach. Yay! Did you finish your gummy? Yep.
Ayun yung beach, oh.
Right down here.
Easter bunny. Thank you. What is that? Green. Oh. You didn't get a big one?
See, that's mine. I was. Yummy! Good to see. Yep.
Yung mga luma na to. I think parang may ano dito.
Mama! Ah! Ah!
Swimming is over.
Going home time.
Going home tomorrow. One more sleep. Who's excited? Wala sumagot. You want to come back here? Huh?
Yeah.
Mga sunog ang mukha.
You want to come back here?
Yeah.
Look, oh. You want? What are you eating?
Good for me.
May goreng time. Tapos mamayang dinner, KFC. My favorite. Merenda
Mamaya
muna.
pa
So,
ang
yun.
dinner.
Ano bang ginawa natin?
Easter egg.
Easter egg hunt. And then, nag-ice cream ulit. Yung Mulix.
Sarap
Mulix
to.
ba yan? Mulax.
Mulix pa. Ano? Mulix.
And then, tinry namin pumunta dun sa Rattlesnake Canyon, yung mga rides. Kaso, bulok. Baka Baka biglang matanggal eh. Nakakatakot eh. No? Ang itim mo. Ayun. Yan lang. Tapos nag-swimming na kami ng mga 4 hours. 4 hours. Diba?
ba? Yeah, mga
12:30 tayo eh. Ano oras na? 4:30. Oh. Yun lang. Namaya KFC. Bye. Eto na nga. Natapos na kami kumain.
Papa, why do you keep on saying so?
Nasanay na eh. Kumain kami ng KFC. KFC and ano to? Popcorn chicken. Kalimutan na namin vlog dahil gutom na. Si Zeke andun, tulog. Ayaw gumising, ginigising namin, ayaw. Kaya kami muna. Ito na nga, dessert na. Happy birthday. Birthday niya. Last week.
Oh,
Uwi na, wala na. Uwian na naman.
tapos na ang bakasyon.
So, magbubok na ulit kami ng panibagong bakasyon para ganahang magtrabaho.
When is the next bakasyon?
Ano na ba? June na. Magka-camping kami. Yun. Magbo-vlog ako doon.
Are you sure?
Tulungan nyo naman ako mag-vlog kasi.
Marami tayo doon.
Yeah. A lot of people coming.
Lots and
Yun ang
lots and
ating
lots.
annual
Meet up.
camping.
Siguro yun na, no? Hindi na
Annual
tayo
group
mag...
camp.
Dati kasi kami na... Ano ba to?
Group.
Group tenting. Okay, ang hirap-hirap naman kasi.
Gra-
Ang hirap i-askasuhin.
tayo lang yata ang graduate na sa tenting.
Bagay.
Yung iba hindi pa.
What's graduate?
Sila siya, bago pa daw yung tent nila. Hindi pa nakasama mag-tenting. Yun lang. So, bukas uwian. Siguro baka dito ko natapusin tong vlog na to. So, say bye.
Bye, maybe.
Maybe bye.
Baby bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Hi everybody. Sabi mo
Hello.
salita ka.
Hello.
Ay, may cake. Look.
What?
May cake.
Hello.
Too close. I can see your face. Yeah.
So I'm eating this.
Salita ka dyan.
This KFC advent. Hey, what? Or something. This outside. This thing outside. Hey, look at that. Hey, look at this. Ooh. Hey guys. Alright. Look at that. My pup. My pup is there. And we are going to home. We're going home. Bye.
Bye.
We're going nowhere. I don't want to leave.
Bye, Osoyus.
Going home.
Bye.
Asan si Zeke? Ay, katalikod.
Bunod.
Going home.